Hello,
Hello, may I speak to Carl?
this is.
Hi, Carl. This is Priscilla calling from Service Center in a recorded line regarding the 2014 Hyundai Sonata.
Oh, the recall on it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, I can schedule that right now.
Okay, perfect. Just gonna go ahead and confirm a couple information. Approximately how much mileage is around the vehicle?
I don't even think it has 90 on it.
Okay, and to confirm, I have yahoo.com.
Correct.
Perfect. Would you be dropping off or waiting with your vehicle?
Probably waiting.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's see here. So the next available appointment I do have here, if you choose to wait with the vehicle, let me take a look. Okay, if you do choose to wait with the vehicle, sir, the next availability I would have would be for November the 3rd, which is a Friday at 8 a.m.
Don't suppose you have anything later in the morning, do you?
I would have a 9 a.m. and a 10 a.m.
Yeah, let's do the 9 a.m.
The 9 a.m.? Okay, perfect. So you're all set for Friday, November 3rd at 9 a.m. You'll be receiving an email or text confirmation. And if anything does change, please do not hesitate on giving us a call back.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. You have a wonderful rest of your day, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.